Hello all and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. So today we are going to explore complex ggplot2 graphing techniques. So in my previous video I have explained the basic simple usage of ggplot2 to plot some simple graphs. So in this one we'll see some more advanced features. I have given the link for the previous video in the description. We'll delve into the advanced features such as faceted plots, custom themes, interactive visuals, and using a data set. So first we need to create a data set. So first let's create a data set. So it's not a real data, but we are creating a data for our study purpose. So we are simulating a data on global climate change from 2000 to 2020 for various countries. The variables are carbon dioxide emission, CO2 emission, and temperature change. So for that, load the dplyr library. For reproducibility, set seed. We are using expand grid function to create a grid of years and countries. Then we add CO2 emission and temperature changes using the mutate function with random normal uh, distribution. So these are the countries, years, and the data generation, which a random normal uh, for the carbon dioxide emission, and for temperature change, again a random number. So we'll create the data set and see the data. Yeah, so this is the carbon dioxide emission and the temperature change. It's not the temperature, it's the temperature change from 2000 to 2020 for these countries. So let's use this data to create some advanced graphing techniques in using the ggplot2. So let's start with faceted plots. So these are useful for comparing data across different groups. So in this case, different countries. So using ggplot2, we map year to the y-axis and carbon dioxide emissions to the y-axis, and the facet wrap allow us to create a grid of plot, one for each country, showing how emissions have changed over the years. So using the ggplot2, we create the graph. So then facet wrap to it creates a separate plot for each country, and we'll give the title and the legends. So let's see how the graph looks like. Run. Yeah. So now we got a plot for the for each country wise. So you can based on the emission, and the legend title are also given. This is how we can create a facet plot for carbon dioxide emission. So try with the temperature change for each country. Now let's move on to the next part, like applying some custom themes to enhance our graphs aesthetics. So we use the theme BW to create a black and white theme, and to simplify the design we remove the major and minor panel grids. So this theme is applied to a plot of temperature change over the time, color coded by country. Okay, so this ggplot will create the graph. This applies the black and white theme, and this will be the uh, a title, and the also it's color coded by the country. Okay, let's see how it works. Run. Yeah, so you can see here the temperature change over the year 2000 to 2020 for all the countries are plotted. So you can see here, so we'll get an overall view of how the temperature change happened in each country. So what is the range, maximum range happened, minimum range happened, or what is the mean, at what portion there are more density of available. All those things can be identified here. So you try the same with the carbon dioxide emission data. Next, how to make interactive plots using this data. Interactive plots bring a dynamic aspect of data visualization. So you can concentrate, focus on some area, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can know the value by hovering the tool over the plots. So we start with a standard ggplot graph of carbon dioxide emission. By wrapping it with ggplot.ly, plotly, the plot becomes interactive. Um, so allowing users to hover over the data points for more details. So you can see here, we'll create a plot. Then this ggplotly, this function converts the ggplot to an interactive plot. So let's see how we can run it. Yeah. So our interactive plot is created between the emission and the year. So if you hover, you can see here, if I hover over each line, it shows which country and the data for that one. Or if you are interested in some specific area, select that area. I can select that area using the mouse, and it will show that area. If I double click, it will move back. So I can focus on any of the areas and see the pattern or some characteristics. So it becomes interactive. So this is how you can convert your normal ggplot to an interactive plot. So try this with temperature change. So our final example demonstrates the complex layering for multidimensional insights. So here we layer two data set like carbon dioxide emission and temperature change. So each scaled in a different way. So this dual layer approach helps in comparing two different aspects of climate change on the same plot. So let's see how the code works. So ggplot2, we created the data. Then using this, we scaled the carbon dioxide emission and temperature change in the same plot using some color coding. So let's see how it looks run. See, so here you can see the carbon dioxide emission and the temperature change both are represented on the same graph with legends given. So we can compare over the years how the carbon dioxide emission and the temperature change happened um, across different countries on a same plot. So we have just explored some of the advanced features of ggplot2, so enhancing our data visualization skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to create this data set and try with your own examples and elevate your R programming journey. So thank you for joining me today. Happy coding. See you in the next video. Bye.